Hello guys, welcome to a shitty unboxing video. Shitty because I already opened it. Now I will reopen it after packing it again. So it is already packed. As you can see, it is not packed very well. So now I will do the re-unboxing. I know it sounds shit. So this is the Boat rockerz 225, a wireless earphone, which is quite nice. I've used it for 10 to 15 minutes, I guess. The usual plastic case with some documents and ear tips and a charging cable with some manuals and stuff. And here's the earphone. So as you can notice, in the product guidelines or the photos, there was a sports ear tip around here. So I already removed it because it pains a lot, to be honest. So I removed it already and I replaced it with the bigger ear tips, as I have big ear holes. So, and here is the Boat rockerz 225. So it has 3 dedicated buttons, the volume plus, volume minus, and a power button, which also acts as a for attending the call. And for skipping the tracks, you just need to hold the plus button for skipping the tracks forwards and backwards, similarly with the left button. Now here we open the manuals. So here comes the ear tips. As you can see, the sports ear tips I have placed inside them, so pretty basic. And there's a short USB type B cable for charging, and the charging port is on the other side. Here it is a battery itself, and the charging port is where the volume rockers are. So it's around here. It's quite small, as you can see. So yeah, that's all. And this is a pretty manual. Every premium Boat products, like their Airdopes, Nirvana products, remind you this is a Nirvana series rockerz, a lower category of Nirvana. And this is the speaker and stuff and all the Boat ambassadors are out here. Okay, so here's a 1-year warranty, which I won't use definitely. So it comes in 3 colors. This is a pure black version, and there's a red black and a neon black. So neon black looks quite cool, as you can see this in this image, or if you can't see, you can just Google it. Sorry for the camera, I'm using a phone as I can't afford it. Haha. So I have been using Boat products since it came out in the market. My first Boat product was the wired earphone. Basically it was 135, I guess, or 125, I don't remember the exact name. And then the second one I was using was 235, which broke after 2 years. So it was quite nice, the bass was good, but I had a little problem with that because that didn't give that perfect pitch if you place the full volume. But in this, the sound quality is very nice, and since my phone supports Dolby Atmos, so it even enriches it. So, and let me tell the features of this. Firstly, as you can see, I'm playing with the magnets of this ear tips. So this is a neck bound. So this is the cell part, and this is the volume rocker panel, as I've already stated you. Now on the box, as you can see, now this particular earphone, wireless earphone, they have got magnetic lock, as you can see. Now for the chipset, they are using the chipset for Bluetooth 4.1 CSR 8635. So this is a chipset which is offered by Qualcomm. So definitely it is nice. Then they are using A2DP audio technology. If you can see the developer options in your phone, then you, if you know about it, then you can tell me also, because I haven't researched it about this particular type of audio technology. Then sorry, technology. Then IPX5, so pretty basic, sweat and dust, sorry, sweat and water resistant, so quite nice for me as I run in the morning. So base is pretty good, as I can confirm you from the ratings on Flipkart, Amazon, and on Amazon 58,000 around people have reviewed it, and they have given it 4.3 or something rating. And on Flipkart there are 1 lakh people who have bought this and given it around 4.3 to 4.2 rating, and it supports noise cancellation, so that's very good. I can assure you, if you turn up the volume above 7, then the noise cancellation even acts better. The drivers are very good, and it's stated that continuous 6 hours of playback is assured by the boat, but I can assure you it can give up to 7 hours, 7 to 7.5 hours continuous. And most importantly, it comes with 100% charged out of the box. So pretty, that's much it. If you can please review the my video, basically my video, as this is my first video. I am not a techie guy, but I will upload random videos. Like I uploaded this because this came today only after my 235 broke. So kindly comment down below and do subscribe if you want. I won't force you like other YouTubers, but do comment because I want to improve out here. So thank you.